don't wanna miss you.
Abangani kanye nezihlobo selekhu bewadulise njalo amazwi enduduzo emva kokwedlula emhlabeni koMsakazi uMark Pilgrim.
Mark lived his life as he fought his disease with honor, dignity and grace. Throughout the last year, I did not once hear him complain about the situation he was in or the hand he had been dealt. He just fought on.
Taylor, Jean and Alyssa, I want you to know and never forget that your dad will be with you always.
UPilgrim waqala ukusebenza emsakazweni ngo-1995 lapha esakaza khona esiteshini 5 FM e-SABC ngeqhaza lakhe kwezokusakaza ngo-2021 waqokwa emkhakheni wezindondo zomsakazo zakuleli Hall of Fame.
Mark was a true legend. He was inducted into the South African Radio Hall of Fame in 2021, and at the 2022 Radio Awards, he received a standing ovation when he won Best Weekend Radio Show. These are just two of the many awards and achievements.
He was diagnosed with cancer, as we all know, just over a year ago. He didn't show any fear, and I've no doubt there was fear, because we're all human. But on the radio and with his colleagues, he showed no fear.
Ngo-2008 kuNtulikazi uPilgrim wahlaselwa isifo senhliziyo esehhovisi likadokotela wakhe kodwa walulama yize ukusebenza kwenhliziyo yakhe kwaqala lapho ukuba nesigigaba. UPilgrim washada nonkosikazi wakhe wokuqala uNicole Torres ngo-2007 kodwa bahlukana ngemuva kweminyaka eyi-13 bebenamadodakazi amabili. NgoNhlolanja ngonyaka odlule kutholakala ukuthi unomdlavuza wamaphaphu futhi wahlala isikhathi esingaphezu kwezinyanga ezimbili esibhedlela. Ngawo unyaka odlule ucela umshado nesinqandamathe sakhe ngoNcibijane.
To my beautiful Mark, this is not goodbye, just farewell. The last 3 years have been the most incredible years of my existence. From our very first date, you took my breath away.
Ushiye emhlabeni izingane zakhe kanye nobehlekisana naye.
I just want